welcome to the Brookside Open House. I am Mrs. Barbot, your 4th grade teacher. I am super pumped to be back. I mean, we've been out for months and I am super ready. So I am looking forward to our first day. You might be in the blue group or the red group, but either way, I am happy to see you this year. All right, you might want to bring supplies. If you have a pencil box, that would be great. And in this pencil box, I have crayons, markers, pencils, a scissor, and a glue stick. And I do have a few extra if you do not have one. You also need to bring a mask for the hallway. I'm lucky enough I get to use this one to teach with. I'm not going to put it on right now. Nobody's in here. We have our big, beautiful room. And we do have tables, but I am lucky enough that our numbers are low that we can spread everybody out. So I feel safe at school. All right. Also, Brookside's theme is Disney's Teamwork Makes the Dream Work. So we're all doing a Disney theme, and our theme is going to be Star Wars. May the Force be with you. There we go. Got some Star Wars people right there. All right. If you need to get a hold of me, Barbot, and that's BARBOT at brps.org. I will also be sending parents, I think, an email for class tag, and I'll try to see if we can figure out another way to hook up, maybe through a texting. It's an app, so I'm learning too. I am learning a lot. I am learning a lot of technology. So I'm looking forward to seeing you Friday or Thursday. So we'll see ya.